Hello folks, it is Boxing Day and I am on my way, well we are on our way to a friend's house to drop off some food that they asked me to prepare for a little function that they're having. Yes, they wanted my world famous curry shrimp. Yes, they wanted yard belly curry shrimp. But I'm just taking you along for the ride because guess what? It's always important to let you know what we're doing. Right, babes? Mm-hmm. Right, so hey, let's go. We'll go by the yard. So here is my curry shrimp I'm gonna put together for this little soiree that we've been invited to. And to be honest, guys, you know, sometimes you're there woman, you have no plans, but then, you know, always have something on hand that when somebody call you, you can always, you know, fit in and things. So yeah. Put some curry shrimp together and carry it over there. Let us go. We have to see what is going on right now. And I'm going to show you all the food that is available that they put on display and everything so we can all have a wonderful time at this seafood soiree. How my shrimp look, guys? Comment and let me know if you like my shrimp. It's curry, and if you are in my area, I can cater and do some for you too. Can you believe it? 55 degrees in the shade. Yeah, on the road now. And one thing that I really have to say that has fascinated me all this Christmas, the fact that almost all the houses are, well, not almost all the houses, but a lot of houses really put the effort out in decorating, you know? Well, not right here, so. You know, there have been some really nice decorated houses.
You know, if you drive a little bit slower, it will help.
Okay, let me speed up to which part I see the house and then drive slow and Look at that house. Oh my god. We should turn and go around there. Alright, when we're coming back. Remind me here. Look at this one. I saw this awesome house a while ago, babes. Look at this one. Nice. Nice. This is awesome. Look at this here. This is crazy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome homes. Side by side. This is nice. I like this one.
In the space of minutes, it dropped from 55 to 53 degrees.
Because I'm cool like that.
And the car is balanced.
You know? Show me cool like that.
Cool like that. Cool like that. Look, boy, come out that way now. Let's see my video or something.
What are you doing?
Come out that way. Come out that way. May I try a video the part we're going on. It's so nice, but not but like the reflection that it gives. Alright guys, this is the behind the scenes. Yes, behind the scenes and the setup for the seafood soiree. Setting up the sterners and the heaters and everything to keep the food hot. And you guys, over there is the formal dining. And over here also, yes. So the thing set. Yeah, the belly in the back. the food love over there. Hot girl over there. Hi to the other belly crew. Ray.
When them say lobster, or shrimp, let's put it right by.
So they ask something?
Look who you are at.
You know.
One I this one I
you Jamaican.
and this one so then me will miss sport and actually cut the chicken that low.
I know, because that not really make it that so. Curry shrimp. Why not put out the curry shrimp?
He said I put out the shrimp. No,
Yeah, this is the program.
and none of that neither. Not even the crab leg.
Seafood spread is set and ready to go, ready for digging, and we have right here so our what is
Double stuffed potatoes.
shot boat, not single, double.
Fried lobster.
All right.
That's
Which one? Lobster claw.
lobster claws with eggs and potato.
Shot boat.
Broiled lobster.
Okay.
Then we have our corn, potatoes, and
Egg
eggs.
boil.
Then we have our fried shrimp. Then we have our rasta pasta.
Okay, now.
This is our ackee and shrimp lasagna.
Repeat.
Ackee and shrimp lasagna.
Okay.
And this is our lobster, shrimp, crab, mac and cheese.
Stress.
Yes.
Stress. What you chef them? Chef them. Hello. More things. Okay. Crab legs for days, years.
Months and weeks.
And yeah, the belly curry shrimp.
Then
And
what
then
good curry shrimp.
biscuit. What that biscuit?
And then biscuit when we have them fun. Long time. The good food them.
The good things them. The good things them.
My first one is the potato.
All right,
When
so
you're from the people, you cannot lock your eyes, you can't choose them.
this is for the kids.
How many chairs came?
Candy cane and I think it's a snack box with some candy box rather. Yeah, cute. Yes. And you have the adult table. Beautiful. Nice.
What's happened? This is the beginning.
Yeah, that's the thing. This is the beginning. Put it on the YouTube there.
The beginning.
The beginning.
Game night, you guys.
No, is it not? Just pick one. Come on.
Wait, can we open it up? What is names?
Me never play no game.
All right, tell me your one. Tell me your numbers. Number one. All right.
Well,
Who got number two?
Joshua had number 2.
All right, number two.
And what kind of game this? This don't look like a no game. But see, I don't know my jack. This a game here. But child, another game this, I just present a game.
Yeah. Number five. All right. Number six.
So, all right. So So guys, we finally getting to go home.
See, catch me on.
Somebody round the back there tired and want to sleep. This other person, he was playing games.
Freezing.
It is now, let me see, what the temperature?
Once back down to the 40s. So.
It's only black. The temperature is now 50 degrees.
Lies.
50 degrees. So turn on back the lights, bro. Yeah,
It's
so
47.
yeah, we're head back home here now.
Guys,
So.
I'm freezing and I'm stuffed.
Yeah, I tell you, you see all of them food I ate? In family?
Family.
Yeah, man. It was a nice to get together with social distance and keep ourselves on our way. You know, we never stay too long, we stay a couple hours. You know? So, again, I'll just keep it breezy around here. Wow, look on them lights, B. Those lights are nice. We love the lights, guys. Yeah. Christmas lights. Christmas lights are just banging. Yeah. And there was prizes and surprises. Yeah, let me see. And Joshua win one next one too. And they were just like enjoying their games and thing. Badman not really play a game, you see. Yeah, man, Badman keep it breezy around here. So alright, we out of here. See you guys. Remember, like, share and subscribe and tell a friend for tell a what? Friend.